What's up, everybody? This is Joe from Support and Resistance Trading. It was day one of my trading challenge, bringing $700 to I don't know how much in 1 month. Just trying to see. So I'm going to recap today's trades. If you can't see from the thumbnail, we are green today, whopping $39. But in terms of percentages, that's 5.3%. I'm very happy with that on the first day of this severely red market, because of all the China tariffs. So I want to go over the two trades today. I'll pull up my monitor here. You can see $28 on Microsoft, Facebook a whopping $11. I'll bring down my account so you can see that we started with $700. I have $734.23 after commissions and good old fees. All right, so we're green. So let's take a look at Microsoft. Microsoft, my first trades of the day. I had buy two Microsofts. Okay, puts. All right, they were $1.50. So two of these, $1.50 at 9:50 a.m. So we're going to pull that one up first. And then I closed them about a minute later on each one. I was just trying to be green here. You'll see on the move, I should have held longer. But again, that's hindsight. I was just trying to stay green on my first day of this challenge, getting used to this smaller account size where I can't use my leverage in my favor and take a little bit more contracts to kind of protect my myself with commissions. So again, 950. We're going to go to Microsoft. They were the 124 puts at $1.50. Okay, so 940, right? Let's go back over here. You can see Microsoft, and I'll talk about what I was watching. All right, guys, talk about what I was watching. So 950, 950, 950, right there, 950. Okay, right here, boom. So zoom in. Here's the 950 candle. Okay, I got in halfway through this. It was actually forming. The candles are a little bit of an illusion, right? This is obviously 1 minute of sales, but it stalled around here for a little bit, allowing me time to get in. So I got in here, and actually I sold here. Now, the real move is obviously all the way down to the low here is really what I should have taken profits. But again, I was just trying to stay green. So we got in short here, or I got in short here, holding 1 minute, and we sold in the next candle. Obviously on the way down of this candle. Now, what I want to talk about was what I was watching, right? I was talking to a couple people in the private message, and I posted this in our chat room. Now, I'll pull up our chat room here so you guys can see. I'm on the Discord chat room, okay? I will pull that up. The Discord, I belong to a few Discord chats, but the main one, a lot of people are asking me, how can I follow you? Are you streaming this live? No, I am not. Here's our chat room. Support and Resistance Mob. Okay? Support and Resistance Mob. And if you want to message me, okay, I am S&R Trading. So find me on Discord, S&R Trading, and then just message me, okay? I've talked to a few people in private, and then I'll add you to here. And this is where I was calling out or talking through the trades. Let me see if I can go far back enough for you guys to 950. All right, I'm not directly calling. Okay, but here we go. Look, 950 right here says I said short Microsoft. Before that, I said, let's see, junk so far, talking with somebody. Microsoft here. Microsoft, here we go, holding VWAP. This was 943. I was watching it, still watching it, waiting for it. I said not picking up or down yet. I don't know which way it's going. And at 950, I wrote in here that I got short on Microsoft. Okay, so shorted Microsoft. Only held two contracts here, just like I said. Wanted to be green, was green. What I was waiting for, guys, as you all know, I like to play the VWAP plays. This is a VWAP reversal. We came down through. Want to always make sure we test, guys. This is not a test. These candles really aren't the best test. You want to see it come back, retest, fail, and then put a candle in below. Okay? You don't want to see it just come in and then just tank through. To me, that's not really an entry. For me, yes, you could have gotten short in here and waited and held to these couple candles, but I like to wait for a full retest to go short. All right, so that was the strategy there. I was watching the SPY at the time, so let's go to the SPY so you can see what that was doing. SPY was also below VWAP, I believe. Trying to give you an idea of how I'm actually trading, guys. I know it's hard because I can't fully talk about this every single second as I'm watching it. Here's the 949. Here is the 950 candle on the SPY. Also, not holding VWAP, same thing as Microsoft, right? And then we pulled all the way down through here. Okay? Self-explanatory. You follow what the SPY does. You don't want to be going long here as the SPY is collapsing, guys. If the SPY is below VWAP showing a clear downtrend, you don't want to be trying to buy a breakout. Not a breakout on a run, maybe a breakout on a put, but not a breakout on a call, all right? So that was the one trade. The other trade was Facebook. This one I wasn't so into, okay, but I was very cautious. So at 10:27, I bought a put for 231, and I sold it. We talk about roughly 3 minutes later, and we'll do that. So 10:27 on Facebook and what I was watching. Now, Facebook was kind of going against the market a little bit today in certain times of the day. So right in here, the market was tanking in here, right? This was like 10 o'clock, look, 10:07, right? This was going against, the market was coming down. This was coming down with the market, but in here the market was still coming down, and Facebook was finding a bottom and breaking out, right? So you don't want to play this breakout, right, when the market's coming down. So I was waiting for it to fail this breakout, which I knew wouldn't hold if the market was going to continue down. It didn't. It tried to break out again, got sucked up. This was institutions getting out of their positions, all right? And then it sold off, broke through. I got short at, I think it was what, I forget already. See, this is my memory here. 10:27. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in. Okay, I was a little late to the game. I should have got short here, and I think I was typing it in the room, saying Facebook, watching Facebook, and I actually got short right in this candle. A little late, again, holding it to not to break above. Now, what you're not seeing is as these candles were forming, there was so much movement up and down and up and down. They were actually like doing this back and forth and back and forth and back and forth, and I really was not liking the price action. When a candle fails VWAP, we should see people be jumping in. We should see a little bit more volume increase, and we should dump through, especially through the low here. But we just didn't. Like, we just didn't get, like, the rest of these look like push candles, but you're not getting movement. Like, from this candle is not really moving downwards, okay? This was making me nervous, all right? So I wasn't liking the price action. I set a sale on this candle. In here, I just clicked on my active trader, and I just wanted to get out. I was not happy with the action. Yeah, I could have dumped back down through, but the actual price action on the time of sales, the level 2, and inside of the actual my time of sales of the contract that I was watching at the time was not showing me to add to this position or to stay in this position any longer. We just weren't flushing, okay? So I got out and clearly made a good decision because we came back up through and broke above VWAP, and then we collapsed absolutely after that going downwards, okay? So I was a little early, I guess you could say, but I was happy with my thought process and decision making as I was watching the time of sales, showing me to get out before the candles told me to get out. Okay, so 2 trades a day. Green, $39 again on the day. Happy with that again, 5%. First day one doesn't need to be a home run. Just trying to grow this account, guys. Like I told you, if I can grow it at 50%, so $350 in 1 month. I mean, in terms of gain percentages, I'd be super, super happy with that. Now, obviously, I mean, doubling it would be even better, or tripling it, or whatever. But again, I'm really just looking to slowly grow, and I'll take these small wins of only $11.28. All right, 2 trades on the day. If you can see, my leftover buying power was 164. So yeah, I could have taken another trade because I told you 3 trades maximum is the most I'll take in an actual day to kind of try to show people that are having PDT issues how to trade. But for me, I was done. Okay, I was happy. 2 green trades. The market was like, super down. There was really no more entries after that Facebook trade for me to watch. I was watching Twitter at a point, and I missed it because I was trying to help people and notify it in the chat room right in here. Right in here, and I missed the move, and I wasn't going to chase it. I wasn't chasing into this candle, this far away from VWAP. I know it doesn't seem like a lot in money, but 37.20 back above VWAP would have been like, what, 20 cents? And in Twitter, like a 20-cent move was actually a pretty good move in Twitter, so I wasn't trying to wait for this thing to pull all the way back if we were going to reverse throughout the day. But clearly we're weak. The Dow is still, I believe, down below 500 points. Oh, sorry, 692 now. So the market's really red, and we'll see what actually happens tomorrow. So tomorrow's a new day. Let's see how we grow. Tomorrow's not my best day to trade in terms of my schedule at work, but if I can squeeze in a trade tomorrow, that's good and a quality setup. If I have time, I will trade. If not, I will 100% be back here on Wednesday. All right. I thank you guys so much for watching, so much for liking and subscribing. If you have any comments, comment below. I have been answering people's comments. Again, if you want, you can join our chat room. All right. Again, we're Support and Resistance Mob. You can find there, or again, you can find me SNR Trading. See, I said I missed Twitter, not chasing it. SNR Trading. All right, and you can find me there. Let's look at that. I wanted to see that. 10:02. 10:02. Let's see if I was right. I think that's like what I was saying. 10 o'clock, right here. Right, I commented here. Miss Twitter, not chasing it. Miss Twitter. All right. So I was looking at the same, watching these moves. Now it's not a full VWAP tap, but I was willing to risk it. But this was not happening. All right. So again, I will see you all tomorrow. If you have any questions, comment. Please like and subscribe, guys. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this content, and I will be posting more. Obviously continue this challenge, but posting more even after this challenge is over. All right. Thanks, everybody.